Ever wonder how to collect better, more private website data? Today, we're diving into a game-changing method: setting up server-side Google Tag Manager, often shortened to SGTM. This approach gives you far more control over your data and enhances your privacy efforts. First, you'll need to set up a server. This can be accomplished through platforms like Google Cloud Platform or GCP. You'll choose your server location based on where the majority of your website visitors are located. Next, in your server, you'll deploy a pre-configured GTM server-side container. During setup, Google will provide you with a container configuration. You'll need to copy the container configuration, open up the container, and paste it. After configuring your server, you'll be given a custom domain name to use to help collect data from. This custom domain will be what handles your data. Make sure your domain has an HTTP server. Copy that domain name now. In your website's existing Google Tag Manager container, you'll forward your existing client-side tags to this new server-side setup. This tells your existing client-side tags to send data to your own server, not directly to other third-party servers, like Google Analytics. Now you will have increased data privacy. Remember to configure your tags, triggers, and variables within the server-side container. Now, after a few tests to verify data is flowing correctly, you'll have better analytics and data privacy.